What if I told you that there is a tool that can effortlessly turn your ideas into stunning UI/UX designs? This tool is not only intuitive and powerful, but also built with your creativity in mind. And the best part is that it writes the code for you in React or React Native as well. Are you ready to explore this game-changing tool that will revolutionize the way you bring your ideas to life? Get ready to dive into a world of limitless possibilities. Wait till the end and I will tell you about the bonus feature in it that will shock you. Magify.Design is a tool that can generate UI/UX designs and code using AI prompts based on your design system. Take a look at the demo provided by them in this video. As you can see, they wrote investment app using my design system and click on generate. Within minutes, it generated the screens for the app, and they already look stunning. However, if you don't like the dark theme, you can simply turn into light mode, and boom, it will change the design to a light version. But that's not all. Let's say you don't like the content or images in the design. You can suggest alternative images and content, and there you go. It will change both. And let's say you need a payment confirmation screen. It will add a payment confirmation screen, and voila, here comes the confirmation screen. What's more, you can also generate image assets and UX writing based on prompts, design, and UX writing. So please comment below about your thoughts on the job prospects for UI/UX designers and React Native developers. What should they do to ensure they can survive in the upcoming years? Go to Magify.Design and register yourself to get early access now. We have a list of cool AI tool videos scheduled in the upcoming days. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting tools and news about AI. Thanks for watching.